Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply hide your account on Tinder. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, first of all open up your Tinder app on your phone, and now this is how it's gonna appear. And if you tap on your profile's like that, and it's simply available and visible to all of everybody in the Tinder. So if you want to simply hide it, for that, tap on your gear icon on top right corner, scroll down all the way to the bottom, then you'll find this option of delete account. Don't worry, we're not deleting, but we will access the option right afterwards. Now you can see it's this option of need a break. Take all the time you need, hit pause on your account, and come back when you're ready. You can see pausing hides your profile from others but won't delete it entirely, so you won't have to start from scratch. If you really want to return, simply tap on pause account, and now your profile is hidden. You can go back, and as you can see, you can simply swipe through, chat to it, but they won't have access to your profile because it's simply hidden. For that, you can simply go to your delete account again, and simply again pause it, and simply tap on jump back in, and you're back again. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.